Good morning, students. Welcome back. I hope you people have done the previous questions which I have given in the previous class. So today, as I said, we will be starting the addition of the unlike fractions. So addition of unlike fraction. So before starting this topic, again I would like to have the concept of like fraction and unlike fraction. So what is like fraction and what is unlike fraction? The fractions whose denominators are equal are known as like fraction, and fraction whose denominators are not equal are known as unlike fraction. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 5 by 3. These all are like fractions as they have denominators equal. Right. Unlike fractions, 2 by 5, 7 by 9, 4 by 5, etc. These are the unlike fractions. What is the concept of fraction? Before adding, you should know what is the concept of adding, or what is the fraction, in fact fraction. This you have already known. Again I am telling you, this is already known to you, but still I want to confirm over here. Here 1 by 3 means if you have a 1 piece and you have divided into 3 equal parts. The denominator signifies that how many equal parts you have divided a particular thing. So we have divided this fraction in 3 equal parts. So this particular part, the one part is equal to 1 by 3. If you have taken 2 equal parts, this and this, so this is equal to what? 2 by 3. What about 5 by 3? So for 5 by 3, it is 1 complete circle I have taken. 5 by 3 means 3 complete and 2 more. So it is 3 complete I have taken. And of the same type of thing, again I have divided into 3 equal parts only, not more than that. So 3 here and 2 over again here. So this total becomes 5 by 3. Right. So this is the concept of the like fraction. You can see in every picture I am dividing my object into 3 equal parts. So if it is 2 by 5, so I will be dividing my object into 5 equal parts and I am taking 2 of it. So if 7 by 9, so I am dividing the thing into 9 equal parts and taking 7 out of it. Similarly, 5 equal parts and you taking the 4 out of it. The concept which I let you know as equivalent fractions. So what is equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction is something, once a second. Here, if I am written here 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. In a 1C, you can say that these two fractions are not equal. But these are equal. All of you know these are equal. So how we can represent this in a picture? 1 by 2, if I am taking an object, say one chapati I am taking. So how many parts I should have I should be done over here? 2 parts, because denominator is 2. And from this I am taking 1 part. So this part of chapati is known as 1 by 2. In the second situation, I have taken this, and here because denominator is written 4, so I will be dividing my chapati into 4 equal parts. And then from the 4 equal parts, I am taking 2 parts. Now here you can compare. Are these two fractions equal? Yes, these two fractions are equal. Right. So because 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. The part of chapati of the same thing is equal. Therefore, these two fractions are equal. And in the mathematical way, what we can say is कि 1 by 2 में we will be multiplying the same term to get the equivalent fraction. फिर मैंने I multiply by 5, so it is 5 by 10. Again I am multiplying by 7, I am getting the 7 by 14. These all numbers are equivalent to 1 by 2. Out of 2 I am taking 1, half. Out of 4 I am taking 2, half. Out of 10 I am taking 5, half part. Out of 14 I am taking 7 part, so half. So these all are equivalent fraction. So these all are required for the addition and subtraction. That's why I recall these concepts, equivalent fractions and this. How you will do the addition and subtraction of the unlike fractions. So say for example you have to add A by B plus C by D. B and D are different. That's why these are unlike fractions. So what is the step? We will convert these into equivalent fraction. And how we will convert it into equivalent fraction? By taking the LCM of denominator. Say, I am taking an example over here. This is not working. Let me see if this is working or not. Because of lockdown, I have very limited resources. So it is example. Say for example, I am taking a very small, I am taking 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. Let's take 3 by 4 and 7 by 6. Denominators are different. So we have to convert it into like fraction. How we can convert 2 into a like fraction? One's denominator is 4, one denominator is 6. So we take the LCM of 4 and 6. So what is the LCM of 4 and 6? I am not doing, you can just have that. The LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So we can convert these things as denominator equivalent to 12. So 3 by 4 में how much I should multiply in numerator and denominator to get denominator as equivalent to 12? How much? 3. So here it is 3. So how much it will become? 9 by 12. Next one. How much I should multiply? Sorry. It is 14 by 12. Right. So 3 by 4 is equivalent to 9 by 12 and 7 by 6 is equivalent to 14 by 12. What I have done? I have converted both the fractions into the like fractions. So 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6 becomes equal to 9 by 12 plus 14 by 12. Getting the concept? 3 by 4 is equivalent to 9 by 12. That's why I have written, instead of 3 by 4, I have written 9 by 12. And 7 by 6 is equivalent to 14 by 12. So instead of 7 by 6, I have written 14 by 12. I am just replacing 3 by 4 to 9 by 12. And 7 by 6 replacing to 14 by 12. 3 by 4 के जो equal है, उससे मैंने replace कर दिया. That's it. I am replacing. The two things are equal. I am replacing the one thing which I am not required and I am taking the other part and putting it over there. Because I know the addition of these type of fractions. So here 12 plus 12 what? 12 only. Denominator will not change. Just numerators will be added. Is that clear? Similar the concept of subtraction also. So what I said to you, What I told you, what I make you learn, that whenever we are adding the unlike fractions, first we are converting all the fractions into like fraction. And how we will convert into the like fractions? By taking the LCM of all the denominators and converting each and every fractions into the fraction which is equivalent to the what? Your denominator. Right? So again I am recapping. 3 by 4 plus 7 by 6. We will take LCM of 4 and 6. It is 12. I will convert 3 by 4 into the fraction whose denominator is equal to LCM, that is 12. So we are multiplying 3 to both numerator and denominator. So this becomes 9 by 12 and here it is 14 by 12. Then instead of writing 3 by 4, I can write 9 by 12, 7 by 6, 14 by 2. Children, you can do the same procedure for addition of the 3 fractions also, 4 fraction also, or as many as how many fractions are there. The same procedure. If there are 3 terms, you have to take the LCM of 3 terms. If there are 10 terms, you have to take the LCM of 10 terms and so on. So the procedure will remain same. And the same procedure will follow for the subtraction also. If here it is minus, the same concept. Nothing changes but just the subtraction. And here the answer something becomes minus 5 by 2. Is that okay to all of you? So this is the part which I have to taught you today. So addition and subtraction of the fractions. Now we can come for the syllabus. Syllabus I'm saying, I'm giving you the assignments or the homework. I will let you know by the Antev app. You just go through the homework and let me know if there is any doubt. You can click the picture also to me and send it to me. Right? Okay students? Goodbye.